it. We have a generation in the school systems where they're bringing in STEM and STEAM, that we've lost our engineers and our scientists, and it's time for the Christians to step up and take those places within the 7 mountains. Okay, chalkboard exercises. Do you want it to stay here or come forward? Okay. Alrighty, so this is little. So Sean, I'm going to have you, and the board needs to be at eye level. I love it here at Bethel that you've got so many boards around, and you've even got one small one. Go ahead and sit down, Sean. All right, so you'll be able to do this with all your little guys with that board that's up next to the piano. All right, so Sean, take this marker and put your nose up to the board and put an X where your nose is. Okay, so now I'm going to back it up a little bit. All right, so the first exercise, take your marker, look at the X, and then it's always okay to do hand over hand and then let them be independent. So I want you to go as far to the left, so a bigger board, and this is the motion. So we're crossing the midline, and so I want you to do that 10 times, but this time writing on the board. Yep. You're looking at the X. Good. So we're getting the peripheral vision, and we're getting the crossing over. Excellent, Sean. Really, really good. Okay, now you're going to switch hands. I presume that was 10. Okay, and do the same thing. Excellent. Okay, we're going to presume that was 10 times. Really, really good, Sean. Now I'm going to put it, nope, keep the lid on, or lid off. Here, take this. All right, now I'm going to have you look at the X, 2 hands. No, hang on. Look at the X, and we're going to do fence posts. So you're going to go zoop, 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 zoop. We're going to just make your peripheral vision much better. Okay. You're looking at the X. There. Look at the X. Excellent. Okay. Now I want you to take your right hand, and which hand do you write with?
Right.
Okay. So I'm going to have you do a giant circle. So in his case, I would have him add a bigger board, but you stay within the boundaries of this board, and looking at the X, make a circle. Keep going. Yep. Sorry, I should have said 10 circles. Now, because the board is small, you're going to have to do a little bit smaller.
Okay.
And you're looking at the X, looking at the X. Try to stay on the line. Looking at the X. Good. Now switch hands and do the other side. Looking at the X, good job. Looking at the X and trying to see if you can see the peripheral. All right. So Sean, can I brag on you a little bit?
Sure.
Okay, so what college is it that wants you to start doing stuff with them?
Duke Tip.
Duke?
Or just Duke.
Duke. So Sean is one of my many students that are super, super gifted. I would, what do they want? What does Duke? Duke wants to do?
Some kind of specialized program.
So he's already been scouted by colleges, but we still, even though he's super, super gifted, we still want to work on his peripheral vision, which is really important for him because he loves sports, and he's a pitcher and a catcher, and he needs that peripheral vision. Okay, so excellent, excellent, excellent. Oh, wait, one more. 2 circles. So looking at the X, we are going to do 2 circles, and then I'm going to say reverse, and we're going to do reverse 2 circles, and then I'm going to say reverse, and you're going to do one circle one way and the other circle the other way. Reverse. All right. 2 circles the same way, start with. Nice. Okay. Okay, and reverse. And reverse the reverse. Do one way and one the other way. There we go. And then the other. Now reverse that. And good job. Everybody give him a round of applause. Nicely done. Yep. And we'll give him another reward. Good job. Sean, really, really good job.